how you do it. You guys okay? Happy birthday! Woo! Turn the engine off. This is badass.
How you doing it there, Meg? Good.
Hell yeah! All the crazy guys.
I think we finally accomplished that birthday you're never going to forget.
For real! This is badass.
Oh, shit.
You okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Megan, too. Oh, wait, here we go. Baby, smile.
Hey, let's get our picture together. Baby, flip my Jeep.
Baby, flip my Jeep.
You was famous.
In the mud. Yeah.
Dad moved his Jeep, and I was like, Dad's moving his Jeep. Everything's going to be fine.
It's going to smoke a lot when you crank it back up. Yeah. But it'll be... It ain't going to take much to pull you over. Megan, be careful when you go that way. You want to go that way.
Coming.
Stand up. This is awesome.
Yeah, grab her, Devin.
Yeah.
That did so bad.
Yeah, it did.
I was like, what's happening?
Oh shit. The only reason this is so awesome is because I love you. I'd be pissed if it was anybody else. Look at the wood.
That held us up there. You said go up on the edge. That's not what I meant. No, Devin, he was like, go on the edge, go on the edge. I went on the edge and then
Badass. Can you get a picture of me on it? Or is Rory about to pull it?
oh my. There's coffee leaking out, poured all over our faces. You're like, what is happening? Before I knew it, I was on the staring at the mud. Hey, that's my work. Don't be flaunting it.
This is awesome. As long as it's okay.
I'm glad I was in the mud.
Yeah, for real. And the wall was there.
What were you thinking when we were flipping?
Shit.
Shit. I think I just immediately shut off the camera because I was like, I was freaking.
Dang.
So
You turned it off?
that would have been, huh?
Got it on
Go.
Yes.
Did you get it when we flipped?
Did you get a video of it? Oh, you got the video?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
That tire's okay.
Yeah.
What if you pushed it without even...
Oh yeah, this is badass.
I'm sorry.
It's okay, baby. I love you. That was awesome.
Okay, you're gonna have to drive it out,
in there,
Devin.
reverse?
Yeah.
That's how it happened. I don't know where your... Do you have your keys?
Somewhere in there. That thing flew out the window. Look, everything's on the window.
Yeah, it fell on top of me. Everything in the car.
Did you get coffee all over you?
Yeah, coffee, bang.
That's
Your
what
toy
got
Jeep
it.
hit me in the head.
Back up and then try to. Yeah. Hell yeah. This is awesome.
Our Christmas presents are in the back seat.
Good job. We're getting this birthday.
Yeah.
Well, you must have locked it too.
I think it was locked when we got in there. What do you think that put him first?
Only in a Jeep.
Turn the wheel to the passenger. Yep. Keep going.
We're on that dirt.
Oh,
All right.
Oh, that looks fine, man.
All right, man. That's the way.
You could have just backed up.
Hell yeah!
high five.
What point did you turn it off?
Piece of firewood. That was it.
That's awesome. That was fun.
Hey, Meg.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
I just realized I wasn't recording the whole time. Anyways,